In this set of math tutorials we cover arithmetic in details with clear guides, arithmetic formulas and working examples. Each tutorial includes example questions, a revision guide and supporting arithmetic calculators. We also provide online arithmetic calculators, which allow you to calculate specific arithmetic formula in support of the tutorials or to check and verify your own calculations. This chapter, as the starting chapter of this math course, deals with the basics of arithmetic. It begins with a historical overview of the number systems used in different civilizations. Then it continues with a walk through some of the methods used to classify numbers to make them easier to handle. Then it reviews number sets we use in math, from the simplest natural numbers to the most inclusive real numbers. In this chapter we introduce the number axis, which helps us understand the meaning of positive and negative numbers, including operations with numbers in the number axis. Properties of operations are an important part of this chapter, without which mathematics would be impossible, and the rest of this course would be meaningless. The order of operations is a key factor to find a correct value of an arithmetic expression. Therefore, the guide involving the order of operation is of an extreme importance in the following of this course. Understanding multiples and factors are another important part of this chapter. Understanding them allows us to write a number in disassembled form. Moreover, the method used to calculate the least common multiple and greatest common factor of two or more numbers is explained in detail. Then we continue with divisibility rules from 1 to 20. Towards the end of the chapter, we will discuss the decimal number system in more detail and how to complete operations with decimals. Chapter 1 includes 7 tutorials, containing 38 lessons. That is all for introduction to Chapter 1, Arithmetic. To continue, please watch 1.1 Introduction to Numbering Systems, a historical view. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.